Enhance creating master models by using driving parameters with variables. Variables can be assigned to unlimited dimensions and expressions for a single location to update all linked values at once. Variables are features in Onshape available in Part Studios and found alongside the rest of the features in the featured list. To create a variable, select the variable icon in the Part Studio toolbar. Choose the type of variable needed: length for units, such as inches or millimeters; angle for units, such as degrees or radians; number for unitless values, or any, which can be any of the other numeric values with different units or a feature script value. Length, angle, and number are numeric values in the form of a decimal, integer, or fraction. Name the variable and fill in the value. Accept the dialog to create the variable. Once a variable is created, it resides alongside the rest of the features in the feature list and is added to the variable table automatically. To attach the variable to a dimension or feature value, enter a pound symbol into the dimension or feature dialog. The pound symbol brings up a list of existing variables and provides the option to create a new variable on the fly. If creating a new variable with this method, the dialog gives the additional option of creating a variable for a configuration. This is useful when setting a finite number of variations. When creating a configuration variable, the options differ slightly with the addition of integer for whole numbers, real for whole numbers and decimals, and text for custom features. Length, angle, integer, and real allows a default value to be set along with a minimum and maximum range. Note, configuration variables are added to the configuration panel, not the variable table, and are not listed in the feature list, but instead are listed in the configurations list. Typically, configuration variables are used when creating a family of similar parts with slight variations that should allow the user to input a value to define the variation. Organize variables in the feature list above related features within folders, or simply display them at the top of the feature list. Utilize the variable table for making swift adjustments to critical dimensions. You can define any value in a sketch or feature within that part studio with a variable. You can also drive several dimensions in sketches and features with the same variable, or incorporate them into expressions. This technique makes it easy to identify the critical dimensions of a master model and make quick design changes.